It's gonna be, I think, about like 85 degrees. And I'm happy. That's right. I love summer. And guess what? Today we're gonna make chicken breast on the barbecue. Alright guys? But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid guys. Alright, let's go. Okay guys, that's what I need to do this delicious recipe. Alright? So let's start. Okay, I have quarter cup of soy sauce. I have 1 teaspoon of rosemary. I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper. If you guys don't like black pepper, just don't use. I have 1 teaspoon of thyme. I have 1 cup of teriyaki sauce. Right? Half cup of steak sauce. I have here 2 tablespoons of teriyaki marinated. Alright, so I use 2 types of teriyaki, regular teriyaki and marinated teriyaki. Alright, here I have half cup of olive oil. I have here 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, guys. Yes, alright, very good. Alright, so here I have 1 package of chicken bouillon. Alright, to give that good flavor, guys. Alright, let's go. Alright, here I have 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. Alright, and here I have 1 bunch of cilantro and half a bunch of parsley. I use this a little bit in the chicken and the rest I make the decoration. Alright, so here I have 1 large onion. Alright guys, and here I have 4 chicken breasts. Alright, so I slice in the middle, so it will be 8 chicken breasts here. Right? It's light, of course. So I slice in the middle. You guys can see. Right? So, alright, let's go to start here. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna start with the rosemary. Black pepper. Alright guys, that's when the color meet together. Alright? So give that good flavor. Alright guys. Alright, this is my thyme. This is my garlic powder. Alright. It's looking good. So I want you guys to know I'm not using salt. Alright, because I have plenty of salt here in teriyaki sauce and steak sauce. Alright? And the soy sauce. So this is my soy sauce. Teriyaki sauce. Alright. It's looking good and it smells so delicious. And guess what? I am hungry. Alright, very good. Let's go. Okay, that's my steak sauce. Alright, looking good. Looking good and it smells good. Alright. So here I have my olive oil. Looking good. Balsamic vinegar. Alright. Yeah, my chicken bowl. Very good. Alright. This is my teriyaki marinade. Looking good, guys. Very good. This is my onions. Right, my cilantro. Right, I'm gonna put just a little bit of parsley. Right, that's it. You guys can take a look here. It's looking good. Right now I'm gonna stir. You have to stir very well. All right. Stir very good. Right, guys, I'm gonna leave marinate here for 20 minutes. All right, and I see you guys in a little bit. Yes, guys. All right, it has been 20 minutes. All right, time to check. Oops. All right, very good. All right, guys, looking good. Looking good, guys. Let's check. All right. Very good. It smells so good. All right, guys. So it's time to cook this baby. Okay, let's go. Follow me. All right, very good, guys. Whoa, that smells so good. Delicious. All right. Very good. Today's a hot day. Right. Right, looking good. Looking good, guys. Good. Right. Looking good. Looking good. Right. Delicious. Just gonna look at this. Hey guys, time to flip, right? Time to flip. Looking good, smell good, all right? And let's cook this baby, that's right. Looking good, guys. All right? Good. Time to cook this, right? A little bit. You guys doesn't have to put too much. All right. Very good. Looking good. Whoa. Yeah. All right. All right, guys. It's time to flip. All right. Let's go. Whoa. Looks good. Looks good, guys. All right. Very good. And it smells delicious. Smells very good, guys. Very good. All right. Looking good. Very good. Very good. All right, guys. I'm gonna leave here for 5 more minutes. All right. And I'll be right back. Hey guys. All right. All right. Hey guys. Beautiful. This is my finished product, right? You guys can take a look, right? Very good. Looking very good, guys, and it smells very, very good. All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, now I'm gonna try, and I'm gonna let you know, guys. All right, I'm gonna let you know how this tastes. Soft. Right? I'm telling you guys, it's melting in my mouth. So delicious. You guys have to try that, right? It's simple, very easy. Just take your time, right? I'm gonna take another bite. Very good, guys. Hey guys, you guys have a good weekend, alright? Love you all.